Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Who are we, Morbid Team Entertainment? Well, I'm a retired talent manager for actors of Star Wars, retired personal photographer for actor bodybuilder Dave Prowse, who wore the original Darth Vader costume from the episodes of 1977 to 1983. I took some of the photos for his books titled Straight from the Force's Mouth, but that's what I did back then. Now, in the Philippines, I'm creating Morbid Team Entertainment, and we are experimental underground horror films. Start to film in 2023 in the Philippine Islands. I've always been a fan of extreme gore, underground horror, experimental horror, the type back in the 70s and the 80s, if you recall, that we had to go search for, kind of like on the black market and buy it on the unlabeled video cassette, even at the conventions. That type of thing. Homemade horror, homemade gore, special effects, and that type of thing. The real underground, hard to find stuff. Well, that's going to be us, and we're going to bring you some of the most bizarre, surreal, interesting type of films that we can. And when I say films, I mean just that. We're shooting on film. Classic celluloid to bring that beautiful, vintage, eerie, creepy look and feel. So, we're looking forward to, in the Philippines, we're going to have a bunch of special type of aspiring talent that will definitely be an eyebrow raiser to the Philippines and to the United States and to the rest of the world. So, around 2023 and beyond, look forward, check us out, if you will. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.